Let's fill out the Wyoming ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Hey there, and welcome. Let's walk through what you'll need for your ATV bill of sale in this state. First up, you'll need to include an odometer reading on your bill of sale. That means writing down the current mileage on the ATV at the time of the sale, so both the buyer and seller have that on record. Next, when it comes to transferring ownership, this state requires a manufacturer's statement of origin, also known as an MSO. This is the document that establishes where the ATV originally came from, and it needs to be part of your title transfer process. Those are the specific requirements we have verified for this state. We don't have confirmed details about notarization or signature rules beyond what's been shared here, so be sure to check with your local motor vehicle office for any additional steps they may require. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.